So this is the What Is It Wednesday gadget. And so a lot of y'all guessed, I don't think anybody actually got it right because this was a good one. So yes, this is a hint. This is what it is. So really cool, opens up and it's got all the blades inside and it comes with this really cool bottom part. So the why, well, so we're gonna put our apple on there. I got the apple lined up. Just push down. Difference is this one, if you line it up correctly, Paul, it pushes it through so the whole apple goes and it's easy to get your slice. Now, that's awesome. The great thing about this one is that this stays with it. When you close it up, it stays on there, it holds it, and now you can throw it in the drawer and it's not gonna get knocked around and get your blades all dull. Yeah, I'm talking to you that throws the knives in the drawer and they all clanging around in there and they can't even cut the cheese. So you can always cut the apple with a nice sharp blade. That's genius. Apple slicer. Check it out. Check into our What Is It Wednesdays. Asking the questions that you want. Okay, totally forgot. Yeah, it's made by Dream Farm and it's called the Flapple. It'll be available in 2024. In the comments and be happy to answer them for y'all. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.